Hello everyone, today we have a Volkswagen Passat 2006 with the dashboard key. I will show you how to make lost keys, all keys lost for this car. First of all, you have to remove the glove box. You have a few screws, you have 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3. It's gonna work with the 25 Torex, I think this is how it's called. Okay, so you have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 here. Then you need to open the glove box, and you have 1 more screw here, 1 more here, and 2 here. This one you have to open, and they're coming from inside to exterior, these screws. You need to remove, and you need to reach this computer. Here is the immobilizer one, and you need to remove this and put it on the bench. I'll remove this, I'll put it on the bench, and I'll come back to you. So I forgot to specify this computer. It's held by 2 screws here, and if you want to remove the connectors, you need, first of all, it's very hard to read one hand. There is a small clamp here, a small holder. This one, you need to pull the holder and push the connectors in the front, and then you can remove all the connectors. Yeah, easy like that. Perfect. Let's take it in the van and start working. Okay guys, let's start working. This is the computer. I need to take it out from the holder. Perfect. We need to remove the cover now. Okay, and now we need to remove the board as well. To remove the board, we have some clamps, some clicks right here next to the connector. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can just release one by one. Perfect, that's all done. And the chip we're looking for, it's right here. It's a 95320. It's an ST chip. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, that's the one. I'm gonna use the VW Pro again. And a small clamp as well. Pin number 1, it's right here on the left corner, and on the clamp we have the pin number 1 right here. Okay. Let me try again. I also want to show you how to use the VVDA Pro as well. So we go to EEPROM flash, SD clip, and we select the chip that we need to read, 95320. 95320. 95 is this one. Okay. Make sure you have a good touch with the connector, with the pins. Perfect. Let's press read. Yeah, that's perfect. You read the information, and somewhere here we should have also the VIN number. Perfect, that's the right information. We can remove the clamp now. We save the information as original information. Original EEPROM, sorry. EEPROM Volkswagen Passat 2006. Okay. Now we move VVDA Pro, we go to VVDA 2. We'll go on the under the key learn function. Then we select the first option for the immobilizer system, and then we have a special function for the Volkswagen Passat CC key learn. Okay, and we select get component security data from computer module, from comfort module. Load the EEPROM. We load the EEPROM that we just read it. Okay, and here we have the pin code. Here we have everything. We press decrypt the 95320 dump file. Perfect. Here's also the pin code and the CS code, yeah. And with this one we can make the dealer key. We have to take a picture for this. Okay, and now all we need to do is just to assemble back the comfort module, put it back on the car, and I will get back to you. So I put the computer back here. And all we need to do now is to connect the plus to turn on the ignition. You need to find any fuse with power, for example this one. I have to remove the fuse. On this fuse I will tie the wire. You can use any wire for this. You just need power for a few minutes. Okay, now put back the fuse. Okay, and I'm using my keys pro to show me where to put the power to turn on the clocks, the instrument clusters. So it's showing me it's right here. You see, it's this fuse is 10 amp fuse. It's this one. Now I will remove it. Okay. I will tie it with this. We have to put it back now. As you see, the clocks are off. We put back the fuse. Yeah, ignition on now. Oh, let's plug the VVDA into the OBD port. All good. I'll take the key. I have to put the key into the VVDA prog. With the information that we read, we need to make the dealer key. Press make dealer key. Okay, I'm back with the key. I changed the chip because the chip was broken, I don't know why. And we're just gonna try to make a dealer key now. Let's see if that's gonna work. Oh, come on. Yes, perfect. So this is how you have to put the key into the VVDA. Key locked. Let's press killer now. Security login access successfully. We need to put the key into the ignition. And we have to wait for the channel to response. It's gonna take like about between 5 and 10 minutes. Yeah, so now it's ready. It says input the key one by one. Yeah, it's ready now. It's one by one. It says if finish key learning. Now you need to remove all the connectors from here. Put back the fuse. Okay, so the car is sitting here for a while. It's for more than 7 months. Let's try to start it. Perfect. I connect the jump leads from my van and everything is working fine. And now the last thing is to program the remote control, and that you can use the AUTEL. Here's also how to program the remote control for the Volkswagen Passat. We need to go on the expert selection with the AUTEL. Then remote learning, and here is the 46 comfort system central module. We go on this one. Okay, remote control learning, press unlock on the door. Perfect. You can remove the key from the ignition, press a few times on the remote. Yeah, remote control learning succeed. It's also working. Let's test it out. Yeah, everything is working. Let's start again the car. Perfect, all done. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I was helpful for you, and please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe and share. Thanks, see you next time.